Access the program's locations archive. Select nation and reference city. Get the relating average daily irradiation values. Even define user locations. Select a country and add a location of interest. Select an installation site with GPS coordinates. And get its latitude, longitude and altitude. Calculate irradiation values using the Meteonorm database. Add a new location and import its solar irradiation data from PVGis. Find the location and import its data. Inserting the site's altitude defines the custom location.